Let's create the actual script of your branching story. Your story is presented as a graph with scenes as nodes. Click New Scene to add a scene to your story graph. A scene is where something happens, and your character must make a choice that will lead to the next scene. Give your scene a unique and memorable name. There are 3 scene types to choose from: a start scene, a normal scene, and an end scene. If this is your starting scene, click Start. You may only have one start scene. If it is a normal scene, click Normal. If it is an ending scene, click End. You can have multiple normal and ending scenes. Now begin writing your script for this scene. As you write this scene, you need to consider where is this scene taking place, when, who are the characters, and what are they saying. Do they need any specific props or items? Writing out these details will make storyboarding and creating your final comic much easier and quicker. Identify the question or decision to be made at the end of the scene, along with the choices the character has. If you need additional choices, click the New Choice button at the bottom of the window. We recommend having 3 to 5 choices, but you should have a minimum of 2. Keep in mind good or bad choices, and think about what would an expert do, what would your neighbor do, what would your cousin do. This will help you create more dynamic choices. Also, try not to make the best choice obvious. Fill in the choice field, and think about which learning objective is demonstrated by choosing this choice. This verifies that your story aligns with your learning objectives. The learning objective that you associate may be related to the scene that the choice takes you to, rather than the choice itself. Now think about who would make this choice. Identify them as an apprentice, a journeyman, or a master of the knowledge or skill. What is the quality of this choice, given who is making the choice? The red choice quality color indicator signifies the worst choice quality, and green signifies the best. Keep in mind the outcome of the choice. Add your other choices. Click Create when you're done. It's a good practice to click Save Now as well. If you would like to modify a scene, click the arrow to open an option menu. Here you can select to edit, duplicate, or delete the scene. To connect your scene, click on the choice's quality color indicator and drag it to the scene you would like this choice to lead to. If you need to adjust or add learning objectives, feel free to go back to Plan Lesson to do so.